High five.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Oi!
I will have the cops up your ass in 5 minutes. Go!
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Listen, Vagar. You're gonna have to f***ing like me. Do you understand me? I'm tired of this with your stupid claws out. Put them away, because we're gonna be friends. And you're gonna like me.
Oliver.
What? It has not been that hard of a day for you.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Wow. Wow.
Louie. Gentle. Okay, that's not gentle.
Oh my god.
Hello. I have cookies.
Hey, do you want to make a TikTok with me?
No thanks. I'm fine.
Hey! Okay! Stop! Hey! 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 You guys quit!
Hello everyone, I'm home. Oh, hi.
Not you.
Oh my god! If she had claws, my eyes would be bleeding.
You sleeping, buddy?
Oh, baby! Where are you?
High five! High five! It's the running around at 3 a.m. for me. It's the knocking on doors for me. It's the peeing on my clothes for me.
I am sorry, I don't speaking English. Very good. But I am speaking English 50-50.
Mom. Mom. Good job. Mom. 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 Mom.
You stole, Tiny. Tiny, you can't have that. That's not for you. You're gonna choke. You're gonna choke on it. You can't have Kraft Singles garbage.
If a stranger came up to you and said, "I'm your mom's friend and she sent me to pick you up," what would you say?
You're a liar because my mom doesn't have any friends.
Hey, fat boy. What the fuck are you doing? That's my ramen packet!
Are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
Good morning. Good morning. How are your babies? Let's go see them. Come on. Let's go see them. Here, say hello. You guys are way too cute. Way too cute.
Soft loaf, chunky, does not know anything, does not even know 1, 2, 3s, only knows be angry and bite mommy.
Did you order the salad? Yeah, okay, here you go.
Hello.
Black cat bring good luck, not bad luck. I have black cat, see him face, and I'm not dead today. Good luck.
Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Louie, get down. That's gross. Get down. Louie. Louie.
Hey, Nala. Guess what? You're adopted.
Cooter, I love you.
Uh-oh. Oh. Shit. Ooh. What do you gotta say about that? Ooh, shit. Boots. Oh.